Hi guys, welcome back to Money Talk Tips. Today we are going to talk about 5 ways on how to make money work for you. Getting more interest by saving up in the bank or insurance products. Invest in yourself, stocks, bonds, etc. Start a business. Get rewards or points. And lastly, pay down your debt. Over here, we strive to bring you the best tips and strategies of managing your money, to grow and preserve money and even clear your debts. So if you like our content and would like to receive more, do subscribe, like, share and turn on that notification. So first is your interest. Everyone knows that over time interest will accumulate. So start early, be it in the banks, insurance products or other instruments that will only grow your money. Try to shop for a higher interest to park your cash. However, if you start by depositing a small amount, it is perfectly fine, but still start early, as usually a larger amount deposited will equate to larger interest, but it depends on your banks or other products which you put money in. So stop wasting time. However, do not expect to deposit $1 and get $1,000 with interest by the end of the week. Remember to shop around for a higher interest earn over time. Do not just pick a bank or a product because someone told you so. Please do your due diligence. Second is invest. Invest does not always mean in stocks and bonds. Invest in yourself by learning and picking up new things. Do not be contented. Upgrade yourself by going to schools. Do not be shy. Learning never stops. Pick up a book or a course online to upgrade yourself. Some of them can be free while you keep your mental sharp and ready for whatever opportunity that presents itself. After which, then you can invest in stocks, bonds, ETF, REITs or real estate. So good luck in investing. Third, set up a business. Initial stage might come as a tough one, since you are on your own, buying low and selling high. Like what you usually see on Facebook Live. Everyone is selling. So think about a product and start selling. After the sweat and tears that you put through, soon you will be stable. You can employ someone to work for you while the business runs and make profit, just like a departmental store. Next, discounts, rewards and points that you get while you shop. This can benefit you in your future spending, as this will create an opportunity for you to get the next buy for slightly a cheaper price. Once points, coupons or rewards are accumulated, then you can exchange it for a discount. This is what stores do, to create a recurring buy and have a loyal customer. Fifth, by paying off your debt and be debt-free. Unless your debt is a fixed repayment debt, this will decrease your spending by a whole lot. Well, in Singapore you could decrease it by some government initiative, however not all country is fortunate. So over time, if you do not pay your debt, it will certainly grow and you will need to pay a higher amount. However, if you pay it timely and a little more than what the interest is, you can bring down the capital and the interest on the next month will decrease, and soon after you will find yourself debt-free. A special thing to note of: health is wealth. If you do not take care of your health, you will not be able to work and do all those things stated just now. Maintaining your health is like maintaining your wealth. Take care and eat well. See you on the next one.